So let's give it a try. I'm using the other nozzle, more than a round nozzle. See how fast this goes. So that was it. Quick test to see how it works. For me it doesn't work. It's not strong enough. It takes a long time to burn all the weed. What is good is that if you burn the weed, it won't come back easily. So it will kill it for a longer time. The heat gun, I only use it on setting 3. Gets the most heat out of it with this nozzle. It's a flat nozzle that brings out the most heat into the weed, so it will burn faster. I think it was only like 30 euros, so it's cheap, but I prefer to use vinegar to kill weed. I hope you like this video. Please give it a like. If you want to see other videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell. And I hope to see you in next video. Thanks for watching.